Alright, what's good, y'all? I go by the name of Young T-Bird, and this is my artist biography. So what I do is I make music. I'm a hip-hop artist. I wouldn't want to be categorized as a rapper because there's a big difference. I guess what I'm trying to say is that my music is gonna inspire people. It may not seem that good to you now, but check me out in 5 years. So I've been rapping for about 3 years overall, but only recording for 2. Freestyling, you know, writing a little bit. My family inspires me so much because through all the trials and tribulations that we've been through, all the struggles, it makes me feel like I have something to say to the world, you know? So what I'm gonna do with this music is I'm gonna use it to my advantage. I got it in me, so why not use it? Man, to inspire people, to let people know the message I'm trying to send. If I could work with any specific artist, I would have to say Cormega. And the reason why I say Cormega is for the fact that his lyrics inspire me to keep on writing my music and doing what I have to. But other than that, I would just have to say anybody who shares the same passion as I do. I see myself enrolled in college, having a stable job, and having out at least 10 albums. At least 10 albums. That may seem a little too much, but aim high. I aim high. In about 10 years, so in 10 years, I plan to be finished with college, being able to support my family, and being a success in this music. Off the top's what it is.